If you want the least amount of ping and latency, you have to watch this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your internet and optimize it for the lowest amount of latency. Before we dive in, I highly recommend joining our Discord community at discord.gg/latency. Not only do I host exclusive giveaways there for free PC optimizations with every video I upload, but you'll also find a treasure trove of free guides and a community of tech enthusiasts ready to help you optimize your setup. Now we can start the optimization part of your internet. Head over to your computer and over to your router settings. You can find them by pressing Windows+R, typing CMD and pressing enter. Then typing ipconfig, then enter. And copying the default gateway numbers and putting them into your browser. Over here you want to enable QoS or quality of service to prioritize certain devices and make sure you're using the best frequency band for your setup. Next up, ensure your network drivers are up to date. Firstly, you want to find out what network adapter you have. You can usually do that by opening Task Manager, going to the Performance tab and pressing on Ethernet. Next, go to the link in the description and download and install your drivers accordingly. Once you have done that, head over to Device Manager. Open up Network Adapters and double click on the network adapter you have. If you have two, press on the one that doesn't say wireless Wi-Fi or something along the lines of that. Then go to Power Management and uncheck everything. Then you can go to Advanced. Now, everyone's list might look a little bit different, but most of these should stay relatively the same. Now put these settings. You will also find the settings I changed and didn't change or didn't touch in the description below. Now go to Network and Sharing Center, then click Change Adapter Settings. Double click on your adapter, Properties, and in this panel, uncheck everything that is not QoS Packet Scheduler and Internet Protocol version 4. Then double click Internet Protocol version 4 and go to Advanced. Go to Wins and uncheck LM Host Lookup and disable NetBIOS over TCP/IP. Then you can press OK a few times and close out of everything. Then you want to head over to my Discord server and download the Ghosties Internet Optimization files. Then extract it and run the files in there as administrator. Once you have done that, restart your computer. First things first, ditch the Wi-Fi if you can. Ethernet is king for speed, stability, and reduced latency. Plug in and I guarantee you'll instantly notice the difference. Secondly, you will need a quality cable. Not all cables are created equally, so upgrade to at least a Cat6e Ethernet cable for reliable high-speed connectivity. For future-proofing, a Cat 8.1 is even better, but honestly it's overkill for most users. Also, go for a shielded cable to minimize electromagnetic interference, especially in setups with a lot of nearby electronics. This is a crucial factor in stable ping, and if you want to dig deeper into this topic, I'll leave a written article about this topic below. I'll also leave some quality cable recommendations in the description below. Also, if you are serious, a high quality router can make all the difference. Look for one with excellent range and speed capabilities that match your internet service provider's plan. And if they are the ones installing it, ask them for an upgraded model, as most of the time they put some OEM crap they bulk buy from other Chinese companies. Also, it is important to place your router wisely, farther from your PC and closer to the outside world. This reduces electromagnetic interference and improves signal clarity. Also, if available, get fiber optic, it's crucial. And if you're on Wi-Fi, get 5 GHz installed over traditional 2.4 GHz, as 5 GHz is faster and causes less problems but has less range. And that's about it. Your ping should be lower if you have done every single step in the video correctly. And a huge shout out to these people on the screen now for contributing towards this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down your results below. Anyhow, see you next time.